Welcome to Virginia Family Dentistry's Atlee Pediatric and Orthodontic Specialty Center, located on Charter Gate Drive in Ashland, Virginia. This building features separate spaces for pediatric dentistry and orthodontics. The pediatric practice is designed just for kids, starting at age 1, with a vibrant waiting room and interactive play murals. Our office is filled with sweeping mountain scenes and surprise characters at every turn. With child-sized chairs, bright murals, and TVs, we provide a fun experience to make young patients feel at ease. Virginia Family Dentistry's pediatric dentists are specially trained to take care of every child's individual needs. Our knowledgeable and caring staff takes great pride in providing a high standard of dental care. The unique themed treatment rooms lead children to a relaxing escape. Patients who need sedation will enjoy the nighttime camping scene. For nursing mothers, we have our Meadow Serenity room, where they can retreat to a calming environment. And if the time comes for braces, our orthodontist is right here. Having our specialists under one roof helps them collaborate on your child's care. This teamwork is something Virginia Family Dentistry takes great pride in. Our orthodontic practice specializes in teeth and jaw alignment and provides state-of-the-art services to both children and adults. Adults can relax in their own separate waiting room. The initial consultation is always free, and our cutting-edge technology allows for a comfortable and accurate treatment experience. We are committed to providing our patients with the highest quality of orthodontic care possible. Patients will be at ease in our modern spaces. An individual treatment room is available for patients needing more privacy. To learn more or schedule an appointment, visit vadentist.com.